Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses DTC codes B18C6 and B1E76, which indicate a short to power in the BSI, blind spot information radar unit indicator circuits on the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. The left side BSI radar unit is indicated by code B18C6, while the right side is indicated by code B1E76. These faults typically affect the BSI alert indicators, which inform the driver of the vehicle's surroundings. Understanding these DTC codes is essential for vehicle safety features that depend on radar units to prevent collisions, ensuring that drivers have an accurate representation of their blind spots. We'll discuss the components involved, how to verify these faults, and troubleshooting steps to resolve the issues effectively. The DTC B18C6 refers to a condition where there is a short to power in the left side BSI radar unit indicator circuit, while DTC B1E76 indicates a similar issue with the right side. The blind spot information system relies on radar units located on both sides of the vehicle to monitor the blind spots, increasing safety. Each radar unit has an associated BSI alert indicator that informs the driver through dashboard warnings about vehicles in their blind spots. These radar units are typically located in the rear corners of the vehicle, and the associated circuits lead to indicators in the cabin. A short to power in these circuits disrupts normal operation, potentially compromising the safety features of the vehicle. Several potential causes can lead to DTC B18C6 and B1E76. Wiring issues often arise from damaged or frayed wires that could short circuit and create an unintended path to power. Another problem could be component failure, where the BSI radar unit itself or the alert indicators malfunction. Additionally, environmental factors such as corrosion or moisture ingress may contribute to short circuits in the electrical system. It's crucial to conduct thorough visual inspections and tests on the wiring harnesses and the BSI components to identify these issues. Ensuring all wiring is intact will help prevent future troubles and ensure optimal operation of the blind spot monitoring system. When the DTC codes B18C6 and B1E76 are present, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms. One of the most immediate signs is the appearance of dashboard alerts, indicating a malfunction in the blind spot monitoring system. If the system is not functioning correctly, it increases the risk associated with blind spots, as essential warnings may not be relayed to the driver. Additionally, the BSI indicators could become unresponsive altogether, providing no visual feedback to the driver about the presence of nearby vehicles. Maintaining awareness of these symptoms is critical for ensuring driver safety and addressing underlying electrical issues promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC codes B18C6 and B1E76 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the vehicle's electrical systems. After the vehicle is in this mode, the next action is to clear the DTC using the HDS, Honda Diagnostics system. This process resets the system and can help identify whether the fault is persistent or intermittent. After clearing the codes, turn the vehicle to the off-lock position, allowing the systems to completely reboot. Following this, return to the on mode for a minimum of 2 seconds. This reset period allows the systems to stabilize, which is crucial for accurate monitoring and testing of the DTC status. Finally, check for the presence of DTCs again with the HDS to see if the fault returns. In the second troubleshooting step, it is essential to disconnect specific BSI alert indicator connectors. This involves the left and right BSI alert indicator 2P connectors, which connect the vehicle's radar units to the indicators. After disconnecting these connectors, switch the vehicle back to the on mode. By doing this, the system can be reliably tested without interference from the indicators. Proceed to check for DTCs with the HDS once again. If the code B18C6 changes to B18C7 or B1E76 changes to B1E77 during this step, it indicates that the issue lies within the BSI alert indicators, confirming their need for replacement. However, if the DTCs remain unchanged, it suggests that further troubleshooting is necessary. The third troubleshooting step is crucial for detecting potential wiring issues or faults in the BSI radar units. Start by disconnecting the left side and right side BSI radar unit 6P connectors, isolating them from the system. With the vehicle turned to the on mode, measure the voltage between two designated test points. Test point 1 is at the female terminals of the left and right BSI alert indicator 2P connectors, while test point 2 should be connected to a body ground. This process is critical because it checks for battery voltage in the circuit under specific conditions. If battery voltage is present, it indicates that a short to power exists between the BSI alert indicator and its respective radar unit, thus requiring a repair. Alternatively, if no voltage is detected, it suggests that one or both BSI radar units must be replaced to restore full functionality. Once repairs have been carried out for either the BSI alert indicators or radar units, it is essential to verify that the issues have been resolved. Start by reproducing the conditions that previously triggered the DTCs to confirm that the faults are no longer present. Following that, recheck the overall functionality of the BSI system, ensuring that all safety warnings and indicators operate correctly. After confirming that the repairs have successfully addressed the faults, clear any existing DTCs from the system using the HDS. This not only resets the system, but also ensures that any previous fault codes do not reappear. Effective final verification is vital to ensure that all components are working in harmony and that the safety features of the vehicle are fully operational. To prevent issues related to DTC codes B18C6 and B1E76 in the future, routine preventive maintenance is critical. Start by regularly inspecting the wiring associated with both the BSI radar units and alert indicators for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Ensuring that wiring harnesses are protected from moisture and environmental hazards will reduce the likelihood of shorts. Utilizing protective coverings or conduit can further safeguard these electrical components. Additionally, scheduling routine diagnostic checks using the HDS can help identify potential issues before they escalate into significant faults. By following these preventive measures, owners can maintain optimal functionality of their vehicle's blind spot monitoring systems and ensure safer driving. In conclusion, a thorough understanding of the DTC codes B18C6 and B1E76 is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair of the BSI radar unit indicator circuits in the Honda CRV. Following a structured approach to diagnosing these DTCs enables technicians to identify fault locations and determine appropriate solutions efficiently. The implementation of preventive maintenance strategies will significantly reduce the risk of future issues, ensuring that the vehicle remains safe and reliable. Keeping a regular check on both wiring and components related to the blind spot monitoring system is essential for maintaining functionality. Ultimately, A proactive approach not only enhances the longevity of the vehicle's safety features, but also contributes to safer driving experiences for all Honda CRV owners. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.